So let's start with our agenda of what we'll be reviewing today. We're going to start with reviewing the various types of publishers. Then we'll jump into some requirements you may come across when beginning your relationship with these publishers. Next, we'll discuss recommendations on working with specific publisher models and the tools available that you have at your disposal in CJ to enhance those partnerships. Lastly, we'll discuss some popular myths you may hear about publishers. And finally, we'll recap all that we've discussed. With that, let's jump right into it with the different publisher models. So, the different publisher models. There are many different partnership opportunities on the CJ network that add unique value to your program. It's recommended to test out new partnerships and publisher models in order to diversify your program. Because different publishers excel at different promotional strategies and new publishers gain popularity with changing industry trends, it's beneficial to have a variety of publisher models in your program. Now, let's explore what these publisher promotional models look like. A publisher promotional model that can be used to diversify your program is coupon and deal sites. These sites search the web for the best deals and then promote them on their site. When looking at the publisher website, they often have a merchant page that usually features all program offerings, or they can have a more product-specific focus. Despite the vertical name, coupon and deal sites are not limited to offers with coupon codes. They also often have promotions such as exclusive offers and co-branded landing pages that encourage customers to convert. With shoppers becoming savvier than ever, they often start their journey by looking for coupons before going to a retailer site. This promotional model will allow you to capitalize on that shopping behavior by offering a coupon or other promotions such as free shipping or new customer incentives on select deals or products. Generally, the better the deal, the more these publishers will want to promote your brand, and then the more likely customers are to consider converting. Incentive and loyalty publishers offer their shoppers a reward for buying through their site. These rewards manifest in various forms such as points, cash back, airline miles, or charity donations. On the publisher website, the merchant page features all program offerings and the cash back offerings as seen in the publisher sites above. It's important to note that the publisher covers the cost of this reward by using a portion of their commission, which benefits the advertiser at no additional discounts or fees are required. Competitive commission rates are recommended to entice customers over competitors, since the higher the commission paid to the publisher, the higher the reward is for the customer. Publishers who specialize in paid and organic search marketing are also helpful when developing your affiliate marketing strategy. These publishers can serve as your search team or complement your internal team in order to conserve your search budget and fill gaps in your search strategy. Because you are only paying these publishers on a cost per action basis, the risk of bidding on search keywords to drive sales is removed. Like all publisher models, communication is an important factor for search marketing partners. By connecting with these partners often, you are able to coordinate strategies and tailor the search bidding rules to best fit your program. Search marketing is also valuable as it is common for savvy shoppers to search for deals using keywords in search engines. They often search for the brand or product they're looking to shop and include terms such as coupon or deal to find the best offer available. This is referred to as trademark plus bidding, or TM plus. By allowing some of your partners to bid on such keywords, this can be advantageous as you can control the coupons and deals being offered to your brand. For your brand, not to your brand. Content sites, including influencer marketing, blog, and other media, attract audience with shared interest by sharing original content that leads to a loyal relationship with their following. On an influencer's website, the merchant page typically features curated content that may include personal stories, images and videos, and testimonies for products and services that are relevant to the site's theme. Their dedicated posts or articles generally showcase imagery, in-depth descriptions, price points, and easy links for converting and tracking sales. Content publishers tend to have an engaged audience and may require you to provide products for review or pay a flat fee or commission increase for a dedicated post or article. To get started, we recommend contacting joined or potential content publishers to develop a unique strategy that works for your program. Because content publishers may require a little more effort than other publisher models, CJ offers a content certification program to help advertisers and quality content publishers connect. To learn more about joining the Content Certified program, please visit the helpful article in our support center. Another publisher model that has gained traction recently is for publishers to employ the use of browser extensions and other software to drive additional value for customers. Users who choose to download these tools save time when shopping by electing to automatically be alerted when a dealer offer is available and expect their favorite brands to leverage browser extensions as well. Publishers can also drive conversions by utilizing a variety of mobile apps that drive consumers to advertisers' websites and even brick-and-mortar stores. Lastly, sub-affiliate networks, or CPAs, allow publishers to operate their own network of third-party websites. This is an efficient way to work with smaller publishers at scale, as the publishers are responsible for providing the advertisers' offers to their own publishers or sub-affiliates, typically at a slightly reduced commission rate. Now, let's dig into some of the requirements that some publishers may have in order to partner together. As you recruit new publishers into your program, you'll likely find that some publishers mention different requirements that they will require to have in order to partner together. It's a fairly common practice, especially for certain types of publishers. Let's review some of these requirements so you can think through how you'd like to partner with these publishers when you see these come up. A higher than standard commission rate is fairly common, especially for content and loyalty partners. These partners pass back part of their commission to their users, so they'll often require a higher commission rate. Loyalty publishers will often also require the same commission rate across the board, including products and types of customers, due to the fact that they offer rewards according to purchase and are unable to segment the cash back or reward according to those parameters. You may also find publishers have integration requirements. This is in order to properly track for certain promotional methods like mobile web, in-app tracking, or browser extensions. These types of publishers need more back-end work in order to make sure tracking is properly working. Finally, flat rate is another common requirement. This typically covers development work to onboard a new brand as well as potential placements. We recommend thinking about this in terms of the long-term benefits these publishers bring to your program. The ROI on that one cost or a little bit higher commission rate will often be very high in terms of the return you'll get on your initial investment in terms of revenue, ROI, types of targeted customers, or other KPIs that are important to your brand. Now let's get to some best practices to help you get the most out of those partnerships that you're curating. When it comes to working with specific publisher models, there are some common best practices we recommend that apply to all types of publisher models. In order to maintain the integrity of the program and ensure publishers are paid in a timely manner, make sure the account is always kept at a positive balance so there are no payment interruptions. When setting up commissions, set clear and competitive rates that will excite publishers and make them want to give you additional exposure on their site. The most visible placements that grab the most attention are always the first to be booked, so make sure you plan your budget ahead of time so that you're able to secure those prime placements ahead of the peak promotions and seasonality. Lastly, just because a placement's booked doesn't mean the job is done. You want to be regularly communicating with your publishers to strengthen your relationship and also keep them informed on any updates and important highlights. The most important thing coupon-savvy consumers are looking for is a strong discount. So you want to put your best foot forward by making sure your promotions are strong and competitive when comparing to other brands similar to yours. Be sure to always add in a CJ link anytime a new promotion goes live so that your links line up with your brand's promotional calendar. To take it to the next level, you can give special discounts to certain coupon sites that are exclusive to their audience only by providing them with a vanity code or landing page branded to them. This has been shown to help increase conversion rate as it gives shoppers a higher level of confidence because it's branded specifically from the site as a verified coupon given to the publisher. In addition, you can often offer this exclusive discount to the publisher for a swap for more exposure on their site. Finally, if you think you can't work with a coupon and deal publisher because you don't offer discounts on a regular basis, That's okay. You can still get creative and create perceived value by crafting offer copy that will catch their attention and sound appealing, such as products starting at $10. Additionally, we recommend utilizing evergreen or short-term offers such as sales or clearance pages if you're not a promotional heavy brand. A pro tip, reach out to your CJ team about learning to enable CJ's promo code control tool. You can also find great information on it in the support center. For incentive and loyalty publishers, you want to give the publisher the most competitive commission rate in order for them to be able to give the highest cash back to their consumers. That said, set aside extra budget to use throughout the year to participate in special extra cashback events that many loyalty publishers offer throughout the year, as cashback members look forward to shopping on these highly trafficked days. As you start to work through with sub-affiliate networks, be sure to request a whitelist from the publisher for 100% transparency of who they work with. Additionally, you want to make sure you are approving all new prospects so that they're staying within your set guidelines. Lastly, PID commissioning is a great tool that allows advertisers to offer a higher commission rate for certain websites that they really value and want to work with more. This was a tool created mainly for sub-affiliate networks, which we'll get into later on in the presentation. When it comes to working with content publishers, you want to first start off with personalizing your outreach to that specific content publisher. It's super important to personalize your communication to find out how you can work together, as these content publishers are looking to build relationships. Next, you'll want to pitch your brand to the publisher. Make sure you give a detailed explanation as to why your brand is a natural fit for their content. Providing a product to review is a great way to push brand awareness, but content publishers have a higher standard in that they won't just promote any product if the price is right. It needs to fit their blog in a natural way to feel authentic. Lastly, make sure you budget enough to put towards sponsored posts, as these types of publishers are focused on creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract a clearly defined audience. For software and technology, specifically browser extensions and mobile applications, there are three main practices that we want to highlight, starting with education. For browser extensions, you'll want to work with the publisher to understand their extension's value and capabilities for customer targeting. Next, it's important that you review your program terms and ensure they align with your promotional policies, particularly incentive and software sections. Lastly, you'll want to make sure you test and confirm mobile web tracking is properly working and integrated in-app tracking with partners such as Button to track all affiliate-driven sales. Pro tip, be sure you're mobile certified, and if you aren't, reach out to your CJ team to get certified today. There are many different directions you can take when it comes to working with search partners, but to start, we recommend establishing a keyword list to limit any internal and external search overlap and any additional spend that could occur. You'll also want to be very clear on the trademark bidding policy and guidelines that ensure you, as the advertiser, always remain in the first position. Next, you want to make sure you set bid caps, regularly audit in the search space, and ensure all partners are running the correct offer, have the correct messaging and landing pages. As a pro tip, you can secure placements in exchange for giving publishers TM Plus search rates. Now, let's look at a few tools that you can leverage to help enhance your relationship with publishers. There are several different CJ tools at your disposal that you can weave into your publisher strategies that can help diversify your program and strengthen your publisher relationships. For starters, you can use your program terms to customize your partnerships with your publishers. For instance, you can offer different commission rates leveraging situational commissioning and PID commissioning. Situational commissioning utilizes CJ's extensive vertical attributes, which can be passed at the time of each transaction. For attributes deemed most important to your business, you can set a higher commission rate. This allows you to focus and invest more in these select situations to help you grow your different partnerships and focus on targeted growth for your most valued attributes. Promotional property commissioning allows you to assign unique rates to each publisher's promotional property. Publisher promotional properties, try saying that 3 times fast, can range from websites and social media to paid search and display ads, as well as many other methods. Becoming content certified aids in scaling your content efforts. The content certification program automatically connects related publishers and advertisers, making it easy for bloggers to work with desirable advertisers, and for advertisers to access rich content publishers that complement their brand. Being content certified gives you access to work with all content certified publishers in your chosen vertical. CJ's new Recruit Partners tool allows you to easily find new partnerships and audiences based on flexible criteria, push offers, and customize offer messages directly to the publisher. Leverage this tool to boost your recruitment efforts. Its smart search functionality allows you to query a variety of data sources with one search input. Utilize CJ's placement marketplace to find placement opportunities, negotiate rates, exchange creative, and pay for placements all in one place. The CJ Placements Marketplace allows advertisers to search for premium placement opportunities offered by publishers on their homepage, blog, newsletter, social media, or other promotional method. The Affiliate Customer Journey Dashboard and Insights allows you to evaluate partner contribution to shopping behavior beyond the last click. Through this tool, you can explore the influence of your CJ partnerships across the entire customer journey, from discovery through evaluation to the decision stage. And now you can view this data by your publisher's promotional model and even drill down to the property level. Now that CJ is partnered with award-winning enterprise influencer marketing platform, Creator IQ, you now have access to publishers' performance data, including audience metrics, audience profile, and social following. Situational commissioning and PID commissioning are two key ways to enhance and customize your relationship with publishers. When leveraging situational commissioning, there are some best practices to always follow. Communication is essential as you're implementing these new terms. Always let your publishers know your goal or intention in using situational commissioning and how it fits into your brand's overall affiliate strategy. Note, not all publishers can work with situational commissioning, particularly loyalty publishers. Be sure to keep publishers updated on any changes made or on the success that the solution is driving. Ensure you choose a commission rate to incentivize the consumer behavior that is most valuable to your business. Also, to ensure consistent commissioning, we do not recommend that you set your default commission rate to $0 when adding a situation to program terms. Once in place, be sure to continuously evaluate and analyze a publisher's overall performance with and how situational commissioning has impacted their performance. As your business evolves, consider your KPIs and how to best incentivize publishers to drive meaningful growth in your program. Some best practices for PID commissioning are to communicate with your publishers before adjusting the commission structure or pushing out any program terms that include PID commissioning. Detail your strategies and objectives to the publisher so they can work with you to achieve the goal. Be sure to collaborate with partners so the commissioning strategies will benefit both parties. Keep in mind you'll need to create separate program terms for each publisher in order to tailor those terms to their unique PIDs. Once you've become content certified, here are some best practices to help with your content efforts. Manage your expectations. Content certification is meant to help you find and recruit high quality content publishers, but working with content publishers still takes effort. Certification is rarely a set it and forget it solution. Educate yourself on content types. Content is more than just bloggers. Although we tend to group them under this title, content publishers can be very different from one another, and it's important to know the difference. Content partners vary vastly from media magazine publishers that have a large audience all the way to small social influencers. Make sure you're messaging your content partners separately from the rest of your partners by creating content-specific newsletters. Typical affiliate newsletters will often be deleted. We recommend creating content-specific newsletters that provide value. Feature top trending products, seasonal picks, brand focuses, etc. Be sure to share information that will spark ideas. Consider sponsored opportunities. If you want guaranteed placements, see what's offered in CJ's placement marketplace or reach out directly to the content publisher to see how you can optimize more. Ensure you have the budget dedicated to content efforts to help grow your content program. Here are some benefits of utilizing some of our best tools, such as the Recruit Partners tool and the Placements Marketplace. These tools will allow you to scale your recruitment efforts and maximize your top partnerships through premium placements. With the Recruit Partners tool, you can discover new partners by utilizing keyword search that scans publisher network profiles and promotional property descriptions to return the most relevant partners. Additionally, you have the ability to narrow down partners by leveraging dynamic search filters such as promotional type, promotional models, publisher reach, network earnings, etc. This tool allows you to find partners that are an ideal fit for your program. CJ has also partnered with award-winning enterprise influencer marketing platform Creator IQ to provide access to publishers' performance data that includes total reach, audience demographics, audience quality/engagement, their location, geographic reach, and keywords. With CJ's Placement Marketplace, it allows advertisers to search for premium placement opportunities on publishers on their homepage, blog, newsletter, social media, or other promotional method. This is a single place within the CJ Account Manager to handle all of your placement needs. You can search and identify placement opportunities, negotiate the rate for those placements, and be able to pay for those placements all in one spot. Affiliate Customer Journey within Insights is another great tool to help you make decisions for your affiliate program. It allows you to explore the influence of your CJ partnerships across the entire customer purchase journey, from discovery through evaluation to decision. It's important to understand how your publishers impact sales beyond the last click. This is where affiliate customer journey reporting comes in. For example, if you see a higher purchase rate when a particular publisher is present, but they rarely receive credit, consider testing new ad copy and landing page combinations to drive conversions. If a publisher is consistently in the evaluation stage, you can reach out and connect with them to discuss how they can promote you further in exchange for an increased commission rate. You can also use affiliate customer journey reporting to build and grow relationships that are converting for you. An example of this is if you see that a content publisher is consistently in the decision phase, consider offering a paid placement to continue to grow the relationship. You can now view affiliate customer journey data by your publisher's promotional model and drill down to the property level. This allows you to focus on different publisher models and publisher PIDs. You'll be able to see how customers engage across publisher models, such as loyalty and content, or at the property level for publishers that have multiple properties, such as a newsletter, a blog, social accounts, and website. Hesitant to work with certain types of publisher models? Well, we've heard it all. So let's take a look at some of the common myths and how they're debunked. We hear a lot of common misconceptions here at CJ, so we wanted to cover a few of these myths and consider them officially debunked. I'm sure you've either thought of or heard myth number 1. Coupon publishers are stealing sales. CJ's affiliate customer journey reporting plays a large role in us being able to easily debunk this one. We can confidently say that this idea isn't true, as 82% of commission sales have only one publisher in the customer journey. Not only that, but there is actually limited overlap between publishers. Only 11% of first-click transactions are commissioned to another publisher, and 65% of transactions that converted via an incentive site had only one publisher in the path. You can also use CJ's promo code control tool feature to help contain promotion and payment on orders placed with coupons by setting certain codes as exclusive to one or some publishers. Feel free to reach out to your CJ contact or look for more information in the support center as well. Now we can take a look at myth number 2. Some publisher types influence while others drive sales. This is definitely not true. All publisher types are capable of driving influence. You can check out how often the different promotional types assist versus convert in affiliate customer journey reporting. Myth number 3 is probably one of the most common myths we hear. Coupon pubs aren't incremental to affiliate. Again, affiliate customer journey reporting helps us to debunk this myth by checking out influence at first click by publisher classification. Like we mentioned with myth number 1, the first click publisher is also the last click or converting publisher the majority of the time. Coupon publishers can help advertisers retain a sale or gain a new customer. Oftentimes, a consumer may be on the fence about a purchase from a new brand, and they're ultimately driven to convert by the coupon or the discount. Coupon publishers drive high new customer rates and help increase advertisers' reach via additional channels. Coupons also lead to higher AOV or average order value and higher conversion rates. While content continues to be a very popular topic, I'm sure you've all heard our fourth myth. Content doesn't drive revenue. While you may not immediately see conversions or an increase in revenue when partnering with content publishers, these partners have the influence and ability to assist the greater channel as a whole. You can't invest in content only one time. You need to think of content as a long-term investment. You'll first see impact on your brand's recognition and reach. Influencers need to become your brand's customer, and the path to conversion is accomplished by maintaining a long-term influencer relationship. You'll be able to identify the opportunities over time and quickly shift strategies to meet top KPIs. You can use CJ's affiliate customer journey reporting to see where content publishers are providing value in your user's journey. Education, brand awareness, cross-device attribution, and research all play into revenue and conversions, even if the content publishers are not the last click or attributed partner. Last but definitely not least, editors are trained to write for conversions. Content is a unique way to get consumers excited about a brand from the perspective of a person the consumer trusts. This leads to more conversions than many bottom funnel tactics. Additionally, products influencers promote often sell out very fast. So consumers have a tendency to swipe up or click and buy immediately without even searching for a discount or cash back. For this reason, many influencers' sales are full price. Last but not least, we have myth number 5. Shopping or browser extensions come in at the end and cost commission. Browser extensions are a value add to the shopper, and they are voluntarily and proactively added by a user to their browser. This is shopper intent. By not participating in a publisher's extension, you are missing out on users and promotional opportunities. Browser extensions can provide personalized ads and offers, and some publishers can use data gathered via the extension for additional shopper insights, targeting, and price comparison for non-affiliate competitors like Amazon. Users also often discover new brands via the extension's ability to alert them to offers and rewards via natural search results and reward or coupon reminders. Not only do shoppers proactively install and use these extensions, but they expect their favorite brands to work with their favorite affiliate extensions. Still unsure? Again, affiliate customer journey reporting has the ability to show publisher influence. So we know that was a lot of information. Let's talk again about publisher models and how to partner. Understand the different publisher models available. Review any requirements a publisher may have to partner together, and implement the various CJ solutions that help you best work with your partners to achieve your program goals.
With that, thank you again for joining us, and we hope to see you all at our next webinar.
Bye, thank you.